Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Tesla stock going in this week. Are we heading down on Tesla stock, or can we still make a new all-time highs? What is the price action telling us? How should we trade it? What our trade plan should look like? So let's talk about all of that in this video. But before that, as always, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes, just sharing my opinion. Please do your own thing. So Tesla, as per my previous videos that I did, I mentioned that right over here, we have some multi-day weakness below 488. As we continue to stay below 488 on Tesla, we may very likely get closer to 470 zone as the first zone, because we are multi-day weakening. We are in a pullback overall technically in the structure. And this is where 470 and so forth, we will come down almost there. And that's pretty much what Tesla has been giving us, guys, right? So as you can see, multiple rejections. Now I'm on the hourly interval. As you can see, let's bring it in the frame. Multiple rejections at 488, just when I mentioned to you guys right over here, right, that once we lose 488, and this is when I did another video that 488 and below we will remain weak, and we continue to remain weak, and we are almost testing 470, pretty much have gotten there. What for this week now? How should we look at Tesla? Well, so Tesla is right now still in the multi-day weakness. If we can stay above 470, it has a room to stabilize here, the pullback, but this is where the pullback is the last chance to stabilize, at least in the near term price action. If we lose 470, start to close a day below 470, closer to 466, so 466 to 470. If we start to close days below that, weakness will persist this week, and Tesla may be heading down to, let's get to the daily interval before I mentioned 439, but yeah, if we start to stay below 470 to 466, we may be this week making our way to 439. That's a very likely possibility, because right now there is weakness. Now, if we stabilize at 470, what will give us an early indication that a pullback is completing? So for that, definitely you will use my tools for that, but also I would like to, before I give you that zone, I want to adjust something here on my charts. If you need access to my tools, these levels and all other real-time information that my tool gives, these are all real-time, guys. So what I'm showing you right now may a little bit update as well, which it will by the time market will open. So you need to have access to these tools to make sure that you know where the price action is regaining. And my other tool that I shows you quite often, that will tell you signals already, like where we are going bullish, where we are heading down, and all that good stuff. If you need access to these tools, you can check out the details in the description of this video. 476 is the first zone. As if we can stabilize at 470, let's say we continue down, stabilize here and starts to make our way here, and we can get above 476.70 cents area, there is a chance for it to a little bit do some push-ups to the rebound. But 481 is the zone still. Another one, I mean 481. We will eventually have to get above 481 to gain the proper uptrend strength without breaking below 470. So $10 range is Tesla still needs to regain above 470 at 481 around to mark the full strength come back on this, and for some rebound for the day at least is possible above 476 and 70 cents. But what I'll suggest is just use my tools that will give you, when the market is open, market is running in the real time, every information that you need for trading, guys. Okay, it's important to trade with proper tools to make money in the market. Or if you want to do all the manual calculation yourself, then be my guest. All right, so that's all what I had for you going in this week for Tesla. So anyways, with that, guys, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.